Digital Citizenship Presentation by Kara Miller. Online privacy and what is it? According to an article found on Bitdefender, the standard definition of privacy incorporates two important elements: the state of being alone and not being watched or interrupted by other people. According to an article found on Winston and Strawn, the definition of online privacy is the level of privacy protection an individual has while connected to the internet. It covers the amount of online security available for personal and financial data, communications, and preferences. Basically, online privacy is just monitoring what is going on through your computer, your information, your credit card numbers, what access you're giving the internet to the different websites you shop on, and if it's tracking things like that. So that's basically online privacy and what it is, and there are varying degrees of online privacy that you can have. Some is minimal and some is maximum. Okay. Acceptable use policies in the public schools. According to an article found on Kajet, an acceptable use policy, AUP, is an agreement between the student and the district designed to keep students safe online. This agreement allows them to explore the digital world as part of their education instead of accessing inappropriate or harmful sites such as bullying, school violence, pornography, etc. So an AUP is set in place just to protect the students, basically, and also the teachers from harmful things. The COSN guide on AUPs defines the two main components as protecting students from harmful content on the internet and regulating their use of the internet to not harm or interfere with other students, so protecting students, or providing students with access to digital media that supports engaged learning. And I think that's supposed to be COGN. I think spell check messed that up for me. Okay, what is cheating and plagiarism in the classroom? Cheating and plagiarism is using anything that is not your own to turn in for credit as if it is your own. In the classroom, technology is enabling a vast amount of ways to quickly come up with answers that are not unique to the individual student. An article from copyleaks.com gives many different examples of how cheating takes place through technology. Copy pasting, contract cheating, mobile apps and websites, texting during exams, and storing notes. So I found out that there's actually, going back to that there is actually contract cheating I've never heard of, where you pay someone to do your work for you, or your test as well, I guess. Okay, what is a copyright? According to copyright.gov, a copyright is a type of intellectual property that protects original works of authorship as soon as an author fixes the work in a tangible form of expression. Also, from copyright.gov, an important thing to remember is that copyright protects expression, never ideas, procedures, methods, systems, processes, concepts, principles, or discoveries. So from what I'm understanding is copyright has to be, you cannot get a copyright unless it's a tangible form of expression, unless it's something that you have fixed or edited. If you just have an idea and it's not a form of expression, then you cannot get a copyright on an idea. Okay? How does copyright affect teachers and students? There are exceptions within a classroom between teachers and students. Teachers can use material without permission from the copyright in a lecture setting within the establishment. If students and/or teachers need to present lectures or perform in a public setting, then they will have to get a license and/or permission from the copyright owner. And here's all of my works cited in order to prevent any of that from happening. Okay, thank you.